Mag-i-exit na ata ako banda dito somewhere. Alam mo, napansin ko tuwing nagta-travel ako sa ibang bansa, hindi limited yung mga opportunities sa isang area lang. There are several regions wherein may different opportunities, jobs, and also mga business hubs. But dito sa Philippines, parang lagi tayong nasa stuck sa Metro Manila. Kung maghahanap ka ng trabaho, di ba, first time mo, sa Manila na lang. Magtatayo ka ng business, yung pera nasa Manila eh. Bakit ganun? Bakit kailangan laging nasa Metro Manila? Bakit hindi tayo kagaya ng ibang countries na may mga jobs din sa iba-ibang regions para hindi na natin kailangan umalis doon sa town natin where we grew up, where we studied. Hindi na natin kailangan pumunta all the way to Metro Manila just to find the job and to be away from our families. And that's when I came across Lima Estate in Lipa, Batangas. And actually, it's really changing how I see what's possible here in the Philippines. So, andito na tayo. This is a 1,000-hectare master plan development by Aboitiz Economic Estates. It's between Lipa and Malvar, Batangas. Pero hindi lang siya industrial park. It's basically a full city in the making. My offices, schools, lifestyle centers, even residential areas. So now, more than 185 companies with 75,000 employees are already working here. Behind this whole development is the Aboitiz Economic Estates, part of the Aboitiz Group, one of the biggest and most trusted names in the Philippines. They're the same people behind Union Bank, Aboitiz Power, and a lot of infrastructure projects. Pero what I love about it is hindi lang sila nagtatayo ng mga buildings just for the sake of it. They build with purpose. Yung idea nila, progress shouldn't just be concentrated in Metro Manila. Every region has a chance to grow. Honestly, I've seen industrial zones before, and I can tell you, this is something really different. When I got here, it didn't feel like a typical industrial park. It felt like a real community. May mga restaurants, cafes, open parks, biking lanes. Families are spending the weekends here. And every Sunday, car-free day, so people can bike, run, and walk around. It feels really balanced. Pero syempre, it's one thing to see it and another to feel it. So apart from just touring, I also wanted to speak with the people here. Madalas po ba kayong pumupunta dito sa Lima? And bakit po? Taga dito po ba kayo?
Oh yes, medyo madalas kasi malapit lang kami dito. Yung mga bata, na-enjoy nila mag-uli-uli, magala, na-enjoy nila yung mga kainan dito.
Sa Santo Tomas, nakatira ako sa Alabang pa.
Alabang, pareho tayo!
May mga sale kasi madalas dito sa Lima outlet eh. Tsaka yung mga streetwear, mga ganun.
Okay, napili mo na mag-work dito versus sa Manila.
Mas okay dito kasi mas mahal din ng cost of living. Kasama ko family ko dito.
Ilang years ka na ulit nag-work dito?
2 years.
I've been working in Lima for 7 years.
Why did you choose to work here versus working in Manila?
Here in Lipa kasi ang dami na ding opportunities, especially in my field, which is real estate. It's very near to Metro Manila, so it's very convenient. It's very progressive na din talaga dito sa Lipa. And I feel like I'm also living a lifestyle in Metro Manila, living here in Lipa.
Grabe. Talking to them really hit me. It's not just about the development, but it's about how it changes people's lives. People don't need to move to Manila just to find a stable job. Most importantly, they get to stay close to family. Nakikita mo yung impact ng ganitong project hindi lang sa economy, but in the everyday lives of the people. Soon, mas accessible pa to dahil may ginagawa ng highway ngayon, connecting Star Tollway directly to Lima Estate. So travel from Metro Manila could take just a little over an hour. You can work in Batangas and still get home early to your family. And Aboitiz isn't stopping there. The next phase, BizHub at Lima, will bring in more offices, retail, and mixed-use developments. Basically, they're building a complete city na may balance. My career growth, my community, my life. Maybe the next big step in the Philippines is not another skyscraper in Manila. Maybe it's places like Lima, where growth feels really personal. Because when you build with heart and purpose, everything else follows. I'm Maiko. She's that broker. No gatekeeping here, just honest lessons, insights, and everything they never tell you about real estate.